friends, I want to show you this bag chest for outdoor activities. You can use it this way. These have these straps for adjust the size freely. You can use it like this. You just make this. And the same in these ones. This bag is perfect for activities like running, hiking, or any activity outdoors. This bag have a reasonable space. As you can see, this little bag with zipper on it. Other one in the other side of the bag. And this. So you can put in here your wallet or your keys in this, and all the types of items that you need for all your activities. Your water, your pen clothes. It's made of nylon, so it's durable and secure. All the zippers are of high quality. And for your safety, in the bag have reflective strip design, so you shine in the night. So that's so safe for you. So I highly recommend it if you wanna do running, cycling, hiking, or any other activity, and you need to put your items in something. This is ideal. See you.